How to remove the rear wheel. Cut off the tire first. Loosen the nuts on both sides with a wrench. Straighten the derailleur, and the rear wheels can be easily lifted. The first step is to remove the 6 screws on each side of the motor. Gently tap the shaft with a hammer to disassemble the motor. This is the heart of the motor. Then take out the clutch. Put on a new movement when installing the clutch. Align the key pin with the keyway on the clutch. Reinstall the new movement on the hub. And screw on the screws. Finished. Install rear wheel. Loosen the nuts on both sides of the wheel. Make sure the gasket with the car slot is on the inside, one on each side of the wheel. Turn the frame upside down. Put the chain on the flywheel. Then straighten the derailleur. And the disc on the other side should be aligned with the clearance of the disc brake. Make sure the shaft is in the slot. Tighten the nuts on both sides. Check the disc for friction and noise, and the rear wheel is installed.